Few knives have the ability to capture the hearts of knife nuts like the CIVIVI Elementum has. This EDC-ready folding knife features handsome looks, premium materials, and a stellar action at a cost everyone can love. The Elementum has a hollow ground 2.96-inch drop point blade made from D2 or S35 VN steel. This gives the knife both incredible slicing ability and long-term durability. With an overall length of 6.99 inches, the Elementum is perfect for everyday carry and regular use. A notable feature of the Elementum is its lightweight, deep carry pocket clip. It allows the knife to sit deeper while helping to keep your pockets light. With a huge selection of handle materials ranging from G10 to brass and a few blade coatings and finishes, there are plenty of Elementums to choose from and collect. What do you think of the CIVIVI Elementum? Have you added this amazing knife to your everyday carry rotation? Let us know in the comments and click the link in the description to buy one today. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.